Hello and welcome to the. That was a little robotic, wasn't it? Yeah. Well, sometimes being robotic isn't too bad. Like elevators, those should be pretty robotic. Airplanes should be robotic. Oh, vacuum cleaners too. How about we talk about robotic vacuum cleaners on this episode of Good Tech Cheap? Let's go! Hello and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host, Adron. Hey, if you like this video and if you can, please give it a like. Please subscribe and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video. Today, we are talking about robots, specifically the 360 Robot S5 vacuum cleaner. Now, this vacuum cleaner is pretty fantastic, but don't just take our word for it. You can also talk to ZDNet, who gave this a ranking of 9 with 0 cons. So, yeah, even other professionals think it's pretty fantastic. This vacuum is really fantastic. It has a laser navigation system, specifically with LiDAR room mapping. This allows it to do a zigzag cleaning pattern, have multi-floor map management, up to 10 different maps this thing can memorize. It also has 21 different types of sensors, specifically anti-collision sensors that can help it move around edges and bumps. This vacuum can clean hardwood, tile, low carpet, high carpet, you name it, it can do it. But let's say there are certain parts of the house you just don't want the vacuum to go into. You like your personal space. Well, you can give it virtual no-go zones. Yeah, that's right. Set up virtual boundaries and lines in your own home to make sure the vacuum never bothers you. You can also do a lot with the 360 Robot app. Have selective room cleaning, selective zone cleaning, scheduled cleans, deep cleans, auto carpet boost, auto resume cleaning, and even mop only mode. You can even have this thing clean a room twice if you think it's extra dirty. This vacuum is super convenient because they really wanted to make sure you can customize this to your specific cleaning needs. This vacuum also comes with a floating brush and a washable filter. Now, that's a lot of the great cleaning features it has, but some extra stuff they just threw in to make sure you were really satisfied. This vacuum has auto self-charging. Yeah, that's right. It can find its charger port when it's out of battery. But they also gave you a lot of other features to make sure you were fully satisfied, such as a charging time of only 3.5 hours, 90 to 120 minutes of full running time. That's roughly 2 hours of running time. A noise level of 50 to 70 decibels. That's pretty quiet. In addition to the app, it also works with Alexa and Google Assist. Every box you get will come with 5 different power adapters, so if you really want to, you can take this traveling to Europe or Australia. You also get cleaning tools to make sure you don't have to buy any extra equipment to clean your vacuum, and a water tank for that mop-only feature. So all these features, the mop-only mode, the LiDAR detection, the 21 different sensors, the auto self-charging, this will only cost you about $269.99. Yeah, $269.99, just under $300. That's pretty much the epitome of Good Tech Cheap. Well, I've done enough talking right now. Why don't we go ahead and look at how good this thing is ourselves? Come on. All right, so I have the app ready, as we can see right here. But let's just go ahead, press our button, and get started, shall we?
Start working.
Wow, that was pretty impressive. I really liked how good it was at just being able to avoid all of those different collisions and getting onto different surfaces. I really enjoyed this. I'm probably going to use this later myself. Well, that wraps up this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Thank you so much to 360 for sponsoring this video. If you like the 360 Robot S5 vacuum cleaner, please click on that link in the description below for more information and to buy this vacuum cleaner. I think it's pretty worth it myself. Well, I believe that wraps up this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Thank you so much to 360 Robot for sponsoring this video. If you like the 360 Robot S5 vacuum cleaner, please click on that link in the description below to buy this vacuum. Well, from Los Angeles, California, I have been Adron. Stay safe, be kind, and have a nice day.